Hello, this is a new multiplayer third-person shooter game that I released. It's called BotMultiFightC. It's a free download and there's a link in the description. I'm going to show how to set the game up using LAN mode. From the server, select LAN mode and play. From the client, select LAN mode and find games. From the server list, select the host. Now I'm going to demo how the game works. The first thing you need to do is to pick up a gun. Then you just shoot the other players.